Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you with a Leetcode problem. This one's called Jewels and Stones. So in this problem, we're given strings jewels that represents the type of stones that are jewels and stones representing the stones you have. Each character in stones is a type of stone you have. You want to know how many of the stones you have are also jewels. As you can see, it's going to be case sensitive. And from the examples that we have right here, input jewels, minuscule a, and capitalized A, and these are going to be the stones. The output's going to be 3 because as you can see, minuscule a, there's one minuscule a, and there's also a capitalized A. In the stones, we have 2. So that's why the output is 3. So to solve this problem, what we're going to do is we're going to use a map. We're going to use a map and we're going to do character int. So right here, we're using a map because it's an easy way to count and figure out how many of stones we have from jewels. So as you can see, okay, so we're gonna do, because we're gonna have to run this through later. Okay, so we're gonna use a for loop, a character I, and then we're gonna do jewels. Okay, so we did a for loop with character I and the jewels because that's what we're going to map out. And we're also going to do, and then we're going to do another for loop. This one's going to be stones. And we're going to, through every single iteration, we're going to try to see if we can find one of the jewels that we have mapped into the stones that are available. So if MP find I does not equal p dot end, so we're gonna add 1 each time. So we're doing this so for every stone, so it's gonna be A. It's gonna be A. So if A is found in MP, which is gonna be in the map that we did for the jewels, so we're gonna count it. If it doesn't find it, because this does not equal MP end, so we're not going all the way to the end of the map. We're not searching, so we actually found something, so that's why it counts it. And then again, we're gonna go again through stones A. So MP dot find capitalized A, and we actually found it right here. So okay, we're gonna count the result. Boom. And then again, another A. We found the result. Yes. Boom. So that's 3 counts so far. And then we go again. All B, 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 B. That's not in our map that we've done. So obviously it's not going to find it. So it's not going to, count another one in the result. So after that, we just return result. Then we run it. And it gives us that we were able to solve it. As you can see, case 2. This is a case 1 from the example. Thank you for watching. If you like this Leetcode video, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.